gravitational potential of the body of mass m at a height h from the surface of earth of radius r is, we can take it as the value of its gravitational potential energy for an object of mass m which is at a height h above the surface of earth. So normally we'll have a tendency to write it as an mgh, so that is not the actual value of gravitational potential energy. So we can take it as distance from the center of earth is r plus h, so its potential energy is going to be minus of g mm divided by, we can write distance is equal to r plus h. So this can be further written as u is equal to minus of g mm. If I'm taking this r as common over here, we'll get as it is 1 plus h divided by r. Now further we can write this u is equal to minus of g into m into we can multiply it with r and divided by r. Already one r is over there, so it's going to be r square into 1 plus h divided by r. Now we can observe that this gm by r square is going to give the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So we can write potential energy will be equal to minus of g into m. Gm by r square can be written as nothing but g into m into r divided by 1 plus h divided by r. Now what we can do is we can take this to the numerator. So this is minus of gm into r into, if I am taking this value on numerator, it is 1 plus h divided by r raised to minus 1. Now for if the value of h is much less than that of r, then we can take the value of this, we can go for a binomial expansion, that is 1 minus h divided by r. So we are using that binomial expansion. 1 plus x raised to n can be written as 1 plus n into x. So we can write this potential energy is equal to minus of g into m into r. Now if I am taking this r as LCM, so it is r minus h divided by r. So this r and this r get cancelled, so we'll get the answer for potential energy is minus of m into g into r minus h. Now this is potential energy. In question they are asking to find out the value of potential. Potential is defined as potential energy per unit mass. So this mass term related to masses will get cancelled, so we can write minus of g into r minus h.